This is fried fulguri cheese. Wow.
Good morning, friends. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to Travel Tales with Sandy, day 7 of my Georgia and Armenia trip. And after spending 2.5 days in Armenia, Yerevan, the capital, today we are leaving back for Tbilisi, Georgia, because we have a flight from Georgia on the 19th. So for now we are going to have breakfast and then take the road trip back to Georgia, border crossing into Tbilisi. So roughly the journey is going to be around 4.5 hours. So on the way, if I see something interesting, because we already covered a lot while coming into Armenia, definitely I will try to get that into my vlogs. So till then, see you. Bye. Take care. So here we are going out for breakfast to a nice cafe and also to return the foreign exchange to convert it into the US dollar before we leave Armenia. So after yummy breakfast, checked out and on the road back to Tbilisi, Georgia, because we have a flight the next day, not the next day, the day after on the 19th from Georgia. Stopped here for a while to have a last glimpse of the lake Seven. I was totally mesmerized by this lake. Believe me, I couldn't believe that it was a lake. And return journeys are always so sad, like kids. When you are going for a holiday, you're also excited. Oh, so this is a goods train passing through. We saw there is a train from Tbilisi to Yerevan. But there is only one train for passengers which runs at night and it takes quite a lot of hours and it's a slow train, so we decided to opt for the road travel again. So we stopped for lunch at this beautiful place and we had this amazing food, the local King Kali. You know, it's like momos, our Indian momos, but it has a lot of liquid inside along with the meat or vegetarian, whatever options you opt for. So this restaurant was an absolute delight, lovely food and locally made beer and vodka. So after lunch we checked into this beautiful hotel in Tbilisi. I was tired but we were ready to step out for a nice walk. And here I am below a pomegranate tree. So next day morning we left for the Tbilisi mall. Like any other mall, any place, same ambience, same shops you can say, except for a couple of shops which are new here, which we get in India too and any other place. But it was exciting to shop here too for wonderful things. And then we came down to another mall here. I think there are 3 big huge malls here. This one was the largest, more of different kind of shops here. So after the shopping we came down to the Bridge of Peace. It's also called the Love Bridge. So the Love Bridge or Bridge of Peace is made of steel and glass with LEDs all over the ceiling and the railings as well as the parapet. And this bridge overlooks the Kura River and the lighting starts in the evening just before sunset and continues till just before sunrise. And it's a very important tourist attraction in Tbilisi. There is music too coming out from this bridge as well as buskers playing their songs. So whatever you hear is live recorded from the side. It was a beautiful evening, nice cool breeze. In fact, it started drizzling a bit when we started climbing the bridge. And you can see the entire city again from this bridge. It was a beautiful sight to see all the lights and all. I've also heard that, though I couldn't witness it, there is apparently a Morse code language happening on the bridge, LED lights. So we went back to the same restaurant for dinner because basically it was our last day, last dinner in Tbilisi, and there was some local Georgian band playing there in the restaurant. Beautiful music happening, the folk lore, though we couldn't understand much. Our driver and companion and guide, Mr. Dato, tried to explain to us, but we were just enjoying the food and the good music and the lovely company of everyone. And after dinner, we stepped out to another restaurant to enjoy some local dessert. And here, this was just next to the Narikala fortress, and we could see the entire Blue Mosque, the Narikala fortress, everything from this place. Hey, good morning, friends. Last day in Georgia. We are checking out now. We have come down for breakfast. We have a flight at 2:50 in the afternoon. So, end of the holiday, Georgia and Yerevan. It was a wonderful holiday, beautiful place, and lovely food and amazing people, beautiful destinations, beautiful scenery. Yesterday we went out shopping, so couldn't record much because it was running from one mall to the other. We visited 3 malls here, and so this is the breakfast I am having: paratha, hash brown, and some raita. Of course, we have a lot of non-veg options. So, but today I decided to stick to veg. Let me show you the outside view from the restaurant of our hotel. One sec. Can you see the mountain and the river? This is just, we are actually currently a little outside from the main city center, not very far, but maybe 5 minutes, 7 minutes. The last time we stayed in the hotel, it was right in the old Tbilisi area. Hey guys, back home now. We're taking a flight from Tbilisi to Doha by Qatar Airways, and from there on to Mumbai. So this is the flight. It's 2:50 in the afternoon, and we have a connecting flight at 7:45. So stay tuned. See you soon. Okay, so now it's almost time to take off. It's 2:55, and we'll be leaving in a short while. And this is Qatar Airways. We are flying by. Very nice service and excellent crew. See you
Ladies
soon.
and gentlemen, as contact with.
So this is the lunch. Today, like I said in the morning, I am going all vegetarian. So this is vegetable biryani with orange juice and some salad. And this looks like the dessert. What is this? This is
Mousse.
yeah, chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse. That's it. And I think there is bread here. Bread. So this is for now lunch for us. I'm going to enjoy my meal.